Hi everyone, Mike back with another important cybersecurity tip to protect your organization. What is the most important question business professionals and consumers must ask when interviewing a law firm, accounting firm, or doctor's office, or basically any business you want to work with? Are you ready? Because this is super important. How are you going to protect my personal or confidential information? Cybersecurity and the protection of your data are critical, and all organizations, regardless of the service they provide you, must have strict policies in place to protect your information. Hackers and cyber criminals continue to get smarter. They're starting to wake up to the fact that more and more organizations are putting up defenses to protect against ransomware, as this cash cow that they have been enjoying for the past several years is starting to dry up. Cyber criminals are also starting to realize that there's more money in going after you, the end consumer. More and more cyber criminals are starting to use blackmail attempts towards you. Yes, you directly. Now here's what's happening. Let's say a hacker breaks into a medical clinic, a law office, or an accounting firm, basically any business holding your information. Instead of going after the business for a few $1,000,000, they're now targeting their customers and their client base for smaller amounts, with the promise of not releasing that private information about you. These cyber criminals realize there's more money in going after the end customer and not the company. So make sure you ask this important question to anyone you do business with. How are you protecting my personal information? If they can't answer this question, find a new lawyer, accountant, or service provider. We hope these tips help you in your day-to-day business. Make sure you subscribe to our channel and follow us on social media for more information like this to help you in your day-to-day business.